Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your account on Etsy, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to search for the Etsy in Google, and now right after that you will be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to click on that option, and now you'll be redirected to the official page of the Etsy where you can see sign in option at the top right corner of this screen. At the right side of the search icon, so just tap on the sign in, and now you'll be redirected to another section where you can see the register option at the top right corner of this screen, of this section. So once you tap on that register option, you'll be able to create your account from here successfully, where you can see it is asking us for our email address, our first name and our passport. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the register and you'll be able to create your account successfully. And if you want to continue with your Google or Facebook and Apple, then simply tap on these buttons and you will be able to create your account successfully with your Google, Facebook or Apple. So basically this is how you can create your account on Etsy, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.